Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another update for my Panda palette challenge. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 palettes or quads or whatever it is over here that I want to show you, and I think we're just gonna get straight into it. So the first thing that I have on top here is my NYX quad. If you remember from last time, I will link the video here, and also there's like a whole playlist if you want to check it out. I was actually working on the burgundy color, which is now completely gone, and I hit pan on this one. Now, the burgundy color wasn't empty at all, I just didn't like it anymore. This is like 2 years old, almost 3 years old. And I figured, you know, like the pigmentation is not really there anymore, and also it was so hard to work with. Like I tapped it off and I still had fallout everywhere, and you know, it's like a purpley color, it's hard to move. I had like everything on my cheeks here. I'm sure I still have from this color, you know, some fallout, but it was a nice color. I hit pan on it, I loved using it, and you know, it felt right to get rid of it because, you know, I got my use out of it. I actually used it more than I would have if it wasn't for this challenge, because like I said, I got this May 2017, and I used, I think, one shadow up, the other one was just not good, so I got rid of that, and ever since that it just was there laying in my, like in the back of my stash. So, you know, I finally use it. And this one, this is the brown one. They don't have names. This is just a color riot. That's what the quad is called. I don't know what the individual shades are called. This is what it looks like. I have this on my eyes right now. It is a nice color. I feel like this is giving me a bit of an allergic reaction because my eyes are always very puffy in the morning, even though I don't use anything else that's new. You know, I use the same mascara, I use the same inner corner highlight, I use the same makeup remover thing, which is basically just water. Yeah, I feel like this is giving me a bit of a breakout or like an allergic reaction. So I will not get rid of this because, you know, it is a nice brown, and I feel like I couldn't use this for contour if I do like an intense inspired look or like a cosplay look. I feel like this would be nice. I tried to do my nose, contour my nose, but you can tell it looks like shit, but I tried. So I will keep this in my cosplay and inspired look section here, but I will not use this on a regular basis anymore. But the same actually goes for this brush. You will have a 30-day minimalism challenge coming up on my channel where I got rid of this brush. You know, it's like one of those, I don't know what they're called, like these brushes, because I didn't use it. I used it a few times and it was in my favorites for a long time, but then I just stopped using it and never will touch it again. So I feel like if I do a contour, these two will be good. So I put this back in my collection and I got rid of another thing, because the minimalism challenge is a challenge of decluttering, basically. So put this back in my collection and I got rid of that. This is also amazing for blending, but I just haven't used it. So I figured get rid of it, but then again I put it back. Long story short, I hit pan on this one, which is very exciting. I like got rid of the other one, and yeah, it will not leave my collection. And for my inventory, which I will hopefully do because I forgot the mid-year one, this will still be counted as an eyeshadow because I didn't use that. Next up, we have the Zenobia palette by Mellow Cosmetics, which I did a look on. I will link that also here. This is what it looks like. I just used this like once, but the colors are amazing, so I really want to use this a bit more. You can see a bit of use there in Pecan, I think so he said, which is strange because I didn't reuse it that much, but you can already see like the makeup brush indentations, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a gorgeous palette. I will give you a few swatches. Look at this, oh, the blue one. The blue one is not as pigmented, jeez. There you go. Or this one as well. They are amazing colors, and now that I finish up the NYX quad, I might as well use another palette because you will soon see my chocolate bar palette, which is still holding up. But yeah, maybe, you know, just for something new in between, I might use this one. Or I might use what I show you next. This is a Bleach London magnetic palette that I had. I won this in a giveaway. Ooh, and I've just put my Sing Shadow there. This is a blush. This has been like this for a long time. I hit pan and I never use it again. But this is the new one that I have. This is Taken for Granted by the Balm. Beautiful shade. I love this. I've used it actually a few times just on top, even on top of this look. Just in the middle of my eyelid, and it looks amazing. Yeah, maybe I should focus on this a bit more. This is Swiss Dot, also by the Balm. It's a blush, but I use it as an eyeshadow, and it has such a big indentation, man. Yeah, you can see this. Like, why? Like, maybe I should use this. This is way too intense to be a blush for me, so I sometimes use this as a highlighter. I sometimes use this as an eyeshadow just to blend in a bit more and to give it a bit more color. If you know me, you know I don't really like single eyeshadows, and having this whole palette, I mean, it's nice to have, really, it's beautiful, but this takes up space in my collection, and I don't really need it because I don't buy single shadows unless I get something in a Look Fantastic box, which was this one. I don't really gravitate towards single shadows. If it really blows me away with how beautiful it is, if there's like a very unique shade that I've never seen before, I might buy it. I might consider buying it, but on that I don't. So maybe this should be the new palette I'm focusing on. We'll see. Just to get this out of the way, my Makeup Revolution palette still goes for, I mean, look, I'm almost done. I'm almost done with this. Almost. I only used these shades for my brows, so that will take me a while, but almost done. Almost. Give me until the end of the year and this will be done, hopefully. And then, yeah, I will just continue to use these. So, you know what, I can actually stay zoomed in because I would show you my Chocolate Bar palette. I'm working on this one, hot chocolate, then the rest are the same. I think, oh, what's it? I spent a pen on this one. And there's a nice indentation going on in this, but you can't. Well, maybe you can see it, there's a light dip going on. That's about it. So, and given the fact that hot chocolate's almost empty, I will just use it tonight or tomorrow and then be done with it. I hope you're not mad at me because there's still a bit left in the corners, but I just can't be bothered with this. I could, of course, scrape it out and then put it back together, you know, with like rubbing alcohol, but I just can't be bothered with this, honestly. So I will use it maybe once more and then count it as done. Still using this one. So yeah, I feel like if I use this is my idea. If I use this blush all in my crease, blending it out, yeah, and then put one of these in, maybe like a darker color. If I put this, you know what? Let me just see. So this is Triple Fudge, very dark shade, right? But if I would use it with this, would it look good? Or is that just too intense? Let's just see if I can actually blend this together a little. Now imagine this is my eyelid. This in the crease and then this on top. Or the other way around. No, that's too much. So yeah, maybe I do that. Because like I said, it is a nice idea, but I just can't. And then maybe take You for Granted on top of there to lighten it a bit up and give it a bit shimmer. I just made my new eye look. Yeah, you know, I said I want to do a light look, then use those shadows up, and then I want to do a darker look. So this is rather light compared to the other ones. So very excited for that. My goals, use this one up, obviously. And then hit pan on the blush that I have here, because I feel like that's gonna happen soon. You know what, maybe I should start working on this as well. It has already a big pan, rather big pan. I should use this. Granted, I'm cool using this one. This is very close to have a pan. I'd rather use this one up and have one eyeshadow less in my collection and one shadow less in my magnetic palette. Then I have this, you know what I mean? I don't know, it's weird. Yeah, I will definitely use this one up, and then my goal will be maybe to hit pan on Triple Fudge, which will be difficult, but we'll see. And then maybe use up Champagne Truffle to highlight the shade. You know, there are days I don't wear makeup at all, so what do you want me to do? Do you want me to just put it on just for fun? No. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know how your projects are going. Again, if that's a project pan, a pan palette, a project use it up, a decluttering project, whatever it is. And I'll see you next video. Bye. I actually have my Christmas tree up, and you can see it. So it's there. Anyway, you know the moment and you use a new shampoo and it's just not working and your whole scalp is itchy? Oh, I hate it. Oh, what does this look? Oh my god, no. I don't, oh my god. No, I'm not wearing my hair tie. What am I supposed to do? Now I found it. Oh my god. I'm getting old. I'm honestly getting old. This is not okay. Also, I realized I should have put the dates on these single shadows because I don't know how long I've had these. Probably a long time, and I probably should use this anymore, but I don't care.